course students, this is Carson McDonald, number 303. The next Tanren we're going to work on, we're going to learn how to do a knot, and it's called a directional figure 8 knot. And it'll look something like, it's going to look like this. It's a loop. And that'll just be the requirement for the Tanren, is to make a directional figure 8. You can use anything really to make it use a knot, but I'm going to show you what you can do with it. And this is a requirement for the Yato Course, is to make a rope ladder and have to be able to climb a distance with this. So yeah, here you go. You can make yourself a rope ladder. And as I was doing this lesson and trying it out, I discovered a few tips that I could pass on to you guys regarding making your own rope ladder. And they specifically revolve around loop width and the length between the loops, and how I kind of came up with my own way for determining that, because as you're climbing this thing, you don't want that loop to be too small. It's very hard to get your feet in there, or if you have boots on, it's going to be really hard. And the width between these two loops has to be proper. Otherwise, it's going to be a real big step to get your other foot in there. All right? So, okay, I'm going to change camera angles, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, everyone, here it is. I'm going to show you how to do the directional figure 8 knot. Here's my rope ladder. And we're going to start at the top. You can start anywhere along. It could be the bottom. If there was a middle part where you needed an extra loop, you can put it in there, okay? And I'll just place my knee here and post it on that. And we'll imagine this is the top portion of the rope. I'm going to put a loop in here. So I'll make the loop. Okay, closer to this. This is on camera. And there we go. Bottom, top, loop like this. Bend the loop towards the top. And then we're going to bring the loop over the top portion of the rope like this. And then you're going to pass it under. And it'll look like this, all right? That's what you want to see. Now, this part is where I can make my loop a little bit bigger or adjust the length between loops, which I'll talk about in a bit, because that's important if you're going to make the rope ladder. So there you go. Give yourself a nice big loop, because this gets a little smaller when I tighten it up. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reach for the top loop, fold it over like a taco, feed it through the bottom loop, try to get this cinched up to where I want it, because as soon as I pull the top, it is going to tighten up. There you go. And it should look something like this. Okay. That would be everyone's Tanren to complete the directional figure 8 knot. And you just have to use any type of rope. It can be any type of cheap nylon rope to do this. It doesn't have to be climbing rope. But if you're going to make a rope ladder, I would suggest getting a little bit of cost there to get yourself a real climbing rope and do it. And for the people that do try that, here's a couple things to bear in mind. One is, make the loop big enough so that you're sure you can get your foot through there. It might be, sorry guys, that's my dog. Come here, Luna. And make sure you can get your foot in there. And also, from the next step up, make sure you don't make it too far that I cannot reach it. So, there you go. That should be no problem. Okay? So that's it, guys. Directional figure 8 knot for a rope ladder. I'm going to go try this out in my garage. We'll see you in a sec. Hello everyone. All right. As promised, I'm going to try out my rope ladder here. I'm going to get my helmet on for safety. And let's give this a try. That's 4 meters right to the very top there. So I think for the Yato Course, they want me to do 6. So this will be a practice run. We'll see how she goes. All right. Here we go.
change my light bulbs sometime. All right, how about getting back down? Getting a little bit tricky with the feet. Not too bad. If you had boots with treads on them, you're gonna have a hard time. All right, there you go. Thanks a lot for watching.